Hi, Libya here again, and this week I've been learning the hymn "Christ the Lord is Risen Today." Again, just a very appropriate Easter hymn, since it was just Easter Sunday this past Sunday, and this is a chord of G, and the chords that you will need are going to be G, okay, G, C, and D, and E minor, A minor, and also A major. Okay, so these are the chords that you need. You might have to practice holding those chords. Again, I'm very flexible with the fingering, so just figure out your own fingering. We're going to run through the hymn, the first verse once, slowly. Let's run through the first verse slowly. It's going to be two strums per chord symbol that you see on the song sheet. Okay? Christ the Lord is risen today. Hallelujah. Earth and heaven chorus say, Hallelujah. Raise your joys and triumphs high. Hallelujah. Sing ye heaven and reply. Hallelujah. Grab the song sheet and play along. We'll run through all six verses. Christ the Lord is risen today. Hallelujah. Earth and heaven chorus say, Hallelujah. Praise your joys and triumphs high. Hallelujah. Sing ye heaven that was Christ the Lord is risen today. And it's a little bit more difficult. The chord changes are a little bit more difficult. There's more chord jumps and more frequent chord changes, but you can slow it down, and I think you eventually be able to get it. Doesn't have to be perfect, just as long as you enjoy yourself singing and playing along with the hymn. See you next time.